sure it's
Okay.
just hands and good.
Roll it around so you can see that it ain't the same color and shit.
Cool.
All right. $30 seconds. Actually, no. Probably talk for about a good 10 seconds. 30 seconds now. I wonder how old this challenge got to be. Like, damn, this Rubik's Cube shit again. Give me the damn thing.
Give me the cube, give me the cube.
Yeah, this ain't gonna be a quick solve.
Hold on. Hold. When you get to one more turn, give it to me. No, I want to do the last turn. I want you to tape me. Where we at?
Just gotta line up those lines on the side.
Hold on.
Gotta line these up.
I ain't even turning. Motherfuckers.